Hello everyone, and welcome to Stitching Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Okay, so today is a little bit different. Obviously different background. I'm sitting in the living room on our big comfy couch. And I am working on a project. I'm going to try to make this. I've figured out how to fast forward. My editing skills are getting better. I will say this. So I thought I would make this and kind of like a make along with me type thing. Probably speed through most of it. I'm not going to be able to show you guys this for a while though, because this is for sweet Miss Neva, for part of our super cool crochet-tober that we have going on. So, okay. So at Dollar Tree, all my goodies I'm putting in it. So at Dollar Tree, you can get these little these little things, obviously for $1, and they're supposed to be for like fairy houses. Well, I want to make a spooky one, obviously. So I have my glue gun hot and ready. Here you can see how sad my glue gun is. It's very well loved. The bottom of it, I have eyeballs, googly eyes. I'll show you once they're glued down. But the whole bottom of it is googly eyes. And then inside of this, I'm going to put this little skeleton dude. I'm gonna have to glue his head because he's kind of wobbly. Skeleton guy. 2 spiders. And on this one, I'm gonna put this flower like right here. I may just use 1 spider. A pumpkin. There should be 1 more orange bead. Oh no, there it is. Orange beads. Then I'm gonna put on either side of the pumpkin a little orange star, or above the pumpkin. Those buttons on that star are all for my sweet friend and Happy Mail. I have 1 Jack Skellington, a key, which I thought was kind of spooky and cool, a ghost. This little ghost, and of course a sugar skull. So okay, let's get started. Okay, so I started in the middle. Here's this handy dandy lid. Yeah. Okay, so I started in the middle, and then I did the outside, and then did the inner ring, kind of Got a little wonky, but it's alright. It's gonna be at the bottom. It's okay. Want extra string off. Alright. glue is kind of goopy, but it kind of looks like spider webs, so maybe it's okay. Okay, as you can tell, I've obviously been vigorously working put the hair up. So I added a few different touches. I was sitting here watching YouTube videos and didn't record all that. I don't know why, but anyway, okay, I added the spider already. You guys knew I added, oh, see, I was afraid you wouldn't be able to see it. Bummer. I added the clock right here and another flower, and then there's a key that I attached to the clock. See that? I put 2 gears underneath it, and then the little pumpkin patch and a ghost. And so I'm thinking that this is like the side that you're gonna look at it from, because you know the skeleton and all those things face this way. On this side you can see where it's hot glued, and so I'm gonna find something, I think, to put over that. Maybe like a spooky like poison thing or something, but I don't know, just because it, you know, but it's not awful. Like she could set it up on her wall or like, you know, somewhere and then just see that part. But yeah, so I glued, and so that's a flower, one of the clock buttons, and then that little key just came in a packet of buttons, and I just glued those together. So that's what we have so far. And then, so this is the bottom. And then that's what it looks like. I like how it's turning out. I think I might do something right here. I thought about putting a Jack Skellington on there, but I don't know, but I may do like something here, and I thought about putting another spider like on the outside. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So, okay. Okay, hello all my beautiful friends that have watched this far in the making of the skeleton globe, or whatever we're calling it. That was, okay, today is October 29th. We're right in the super fun part of Crochettober. My beautiful darling friend opened her gift yesterday. So I've held on to this video so that she could see her stuff first. I thought I would sit over here by Normville. Sorry if it's super duper shaky. Anyway, you guys kind of see Normville a bit. It's fun, right? Okay, anyway, so I didn't ever take a picture after I finished her skeleton. I don't know why, but she has a whole video about it, so you guys can go watch that. I will link it below so you can see it completed. I didn't add anything around the bottom, the black, that I said that I probably would add something. I didn't. I added another spider to the top, so that way you couldn't see the glue on the skeleton's head, how he was glued up, so that kind of covers that a little bit, not completely, but it's not so obvious. And then on the one side where I said I was going to put like a sticker for like a poison or, you know, something spooky on that side, I didn't, simply because I thought it would kind of take away from the whole thing. You know, it's supposed to, like, everything's inside of there instead of it being something, which the spider's on the outside, but maybe he escaped. But anyway, so it's not really like a poison. I don't know. I didn't really go with it, I guess is kind of what I'm trying to say. But anywho, so yeah, so I finished it. It was so much fun to make. I said I got those at Dollar Tree. They're marketed as, they have them as like fairy, is it just a fairy globe? I think it's a terrarium. I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, so we got them at Dollar Tree. It was in the summer. I don't know if they have them year-round. I don't know, but so, you know, think outside of the globe, I suppose, right? It doesn't have to be fairy related. That's not very exciting. You guys could do whatever you want. So check out Neva's video if you want to see it completed. It's up to y'all. No pressure. No pressure channel. That's how I do it here. But if you'd like to, it's, yeah, it was one of my favorite things to do by far, and I would really like to make some more of those. So just saying. So, all right. Hope this was entertaining to y'all. I don't know. It's definitely, you know, not crochet related. It's different than the norm. But anyway, it was fun. So I thought I would film it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all so very much for watching. Thank you guys so very much if y'all have been watching Crochettober. Oh my goodness. I've had such a fun time, and now I'm getting into, like, there's 3 days left. So I feel like it's only fair that I dress up. Make it good, you know? So, all right. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Please stay safe, and I will talk to y'all soon.